Okay, here's a marker light that you can pick up at Walmart easily for I think $6. And the marker is right on the bottom of your rear view or side mirrors. And you take a small flat screwdriver and very gently insert it in the front edge of the marker light and pry down and back ever so slightly. And then grab the marker and pull down. And there you have a two-prong plug which just pulls out, very easily replaceable. When replacing it, just put the back end in first, get it lined up, and snap it in place. And that's really it. Hope you enjoyed this video.